Welcome to our senior design project. We are full send suspension, and for our project, we are working with ENVE Composites on developing different rear suspension designs. This is our team. As a brief introduction, basically going from the top left to the right, we have Zach, Morgan, myself, Landon, Bryant, Tyler, and Ben. And over this last year, we've been working with ENVE Composites on this project.
ENVE Composites was born to make cycling more enjoyable through superior composite designs. As a company, they strive to innovate, develop, and manufacture high-performance bicycle parts. They recruited us to help them come up with new product ideas to give their company an edge in a highly competitive field. The objective of our project was to design a mountain bike that is competitive with bikes already on the market. We would deliver our final prototype along with all of our analysis to ENVE. The objective is to create, develop, and evaluate new suspension concepts. And these concepts would then be evaluated based on their performance, with the higher performing concepts being tested and evaluated further. Our final concepts would be developed in the CAD program SolidWorks, and a kinematic prototype will be given to ENVE for further development.
So in the design process, we started from basic sketches, such as one in the upper middle part of the screen. And then from there, we created 2D models in SolidWorks, such as the one in the lower left-hand corner. And then after that, we went on to create 3D models in SolidWorks of a variety of different designs that we later evaluated. And then after that, we made 2D models of our most promising concepts, the high pivot on the left-hand side and the twin link design on the right-hand side. And this animation, which was made in Linkages, which is a software for evaluating bike designs, shows the basic motion of these two different concepts.
So we created our 3D models in SolidWorks, and then we used SolidWorks motion studies to gather data about the forces in each part of our design when the bike was dropped from a meter height, as well as the data about relating to the suspension's movement, which we then evaluated in Excel to create plots and be able to evaluate it. And finally, we built this physical prototype here to demonstrate the various measurements that go into evaluating our design, as well as to show off the movement of the design as well. And lastly, we'd like to give a big thank you to our sponsor, ENVE Composites, for making this project possible. We'd like to give a big thank you to our professor, Jackson Graham, who was a huge help with all of our SolidWorks work, as well as helping make this project possible. And thank you to SolidWorks for the use of their program to be able to evaluate our models.